Hey there, it's Ashton again and my science buddy Groot. For this week's interactive assignment, we'll be doing a classic baking soda and vinegar experiment. Not a volcanic eruption though. We'll be making something that I think Groot's buddy would love. We're making a bottle rocket, and his friend's name is Rocket, so I hope you get that joke. As recommended, I will be doing this experiment outdoors, so I'm in a different part of my house this time. I'm right by the outdoors. I apologize for any noisiness with the wind. I was going to do this yesterday and the day before that, but it's been raining nonstop. And every lick of sunlight has been raining or high winds. So this is going to be the best we're going to get. It's also nighttime, so hopefully the porch will be fine, the porch light. In this experiment today, we have sodium bicarbonate, also known as baking soda, as our base. And for our acid, we have acetic acid, also known as vinegar. And then when we combine the two, the baking soda, we'll take a proton from the vinegar and react and form water and carbon dioxide. So when I add both substances into my bottle rocket, and I close the lid and I shake it up, the chemical reaction will quickly create a large amount of carbon dioxide, which will build up pressure because it will be held inside because I'll have the little makeshift cap on it. Not using a real cap because that would hold it in, but I have something I made out of paper towels that will be able to blow out when enough pressure builds. And I also, this is my rockets upside down. I created little stands just like the video the little boy did, which I thought was really creative. Hopefully it'll go straight up like his, but I think my stands might not be perfect. Where was I? So the pressure will build up, and then when the reaction begins, we might hear fizzing, and that is the carbon dioxide bubbling from the mixture, and so it's producing gas. And then when enough pressure builds, that gas needs a place to escape, and it will blow the plug out, and the gas will quickly escape, shooting the bottle up into the air. At least we hope. So let's try it. I'm going to pause the video and get everything set up outside. So now we're outside. I have the rocket. Groot is ready. And then my other two parts of the experiment, there's already vinegar in here. It's filled to where the duct tape starts. And then this is filled with baking soda, and I twisted the ends to hold it in at least so I have enough time to put the cap on and shake it and flip the bottle upside down. Hopefully. So I'll have to put the plug in really quick, which I'm nervous I made the plug too big. Yep, I'm going to just unravel a little bit. Let me see. Let me try that again. Yeah, I think that'll be able to get tighter in there. So let's try it. I'm nervous. I don't know why, but excited. Okay, so I'm going to drop this in here. It's filled with baking soda. I got to act quick. And there's too much baking soda. Okay, I'm about to drop it in there. Ah! And shake it. Then place it upside down. Ah! No, I failed. Oh. Okay, I'm going to have to redo that. Alright, so take two. What happened was my cap wasn't in far enough. So the stands were not touching the ground, and I sort of freaked out because I was trying to react fast. So I'm going to try that again, and just make sure this gets down in there. This is the baking soda again. There's already vinegar in here, and let me act quickly. I have this ready. Man, backing up. No! I don't think I'm very good at this. Ah! It still is producing CO2. Well, it's definitely working. I think I'm just not made to be a structural engineer. But it is working, and I can hear the fizzing. It still is creating CO2. Those two tries, and I must just not be very good at making them.
but I can still hear it, and it still is going, and it's producing gas, and it did shoot it out. It just shot it out too soon, so maybe that time I didn't make the plug big enough to hold enough pressure in order for enough gas to build to shoot it actually up. But that was really neat, and cool experiment. Thank you so much.